Start with a magic circle and make 8 single crochet. Once you are done, pull this yarn in to close the loop and slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. Next round, start with chain 1. This won't be counted as a stitch. Now 1 single crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch, you will make 3 single crochets. One, 2 and 3 and mark the middle stitch. This will be the first corner of the square. 1 single crochet in the next stitch. 3 single crochets in the next stitch. Mark the middle stitch. 1, 2 and 3. This is the middle stitch. This will be the second corner. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 3 single crochets in the next stitch. One, 2, 3. Mark the middle stitch and slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. This one. Next round, start with chain 1. Start each and every round with chain 1. The starting chain 1 that will never be counted as a stitch. That is just to bring the yarn to a working height. 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Now you have reached the corner. Here you will make 3 single crochets. Now mark the new corner. 1, 2, 3. This is the middle stitch. And 1 single crochet until you reach the next corner. Three single crochets over here. Mark the new corner. Now repeat this all around. At the end of this round, here you will have 1 single crochet. So with each and every round, the stitches between the spaces will keep on increasing. Here you have made 1 single crochet. Next round you will have 2 single crochets, 3 single crochets and so on. To end the round, slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. I'll show you one more round. Start with chain 1, 1 single crochet in the same stitch, 1 single crochet until you reach the corner. Three single crochets in the new corner. Mark the new corner. 1 single crochet until the next corner. Now repeat it all around. At the end, here you will have 2 stitches. And slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. Now keep repeating this rounds until you reach the size which you need.